So today I went out and bought a strap for my Apple Watch. I bought the Sport Loop in black. On my current watch I'm using a sports band. I've had two. I've had one that came with the watch, and then I bought a cheap one from eBay. It's been okay, but it's got a little bit grubby, so I thought it was time to change it. Now this time I decided to go and buy the proper one from the Apple store. Now as you can see here, 49 UK pounds for a little strap. It's just ridiculous. I did see cheaper ones on eBay. I could have picked up what they were saying, a Sport Loop in black on eBay for around £10. I thought this time let's just buy the Apple one, and maybe next time I'll buy a cheaper one. Okay, so Apple has these things designed that they're really easy to get into. And that looks like it. Is that all there is to it? Is there nothing more? Nope, this looks like it's empty. Nothing in there. Just this little bit of a strap. Okay, get the strap out. It feels good. You can see there's a little bit of red in it as well. It's not fully black, but it's okay. It's good. I quite like it. So this is the instructions on how to put it on. It's not very hard to do. I don't really think it matters really which way you would put it on your watch, but for now all I need to do is get the old strap off. I just slide it in. Now I have to say it does fit a whole lot better than the third-party strap ever did. Okay, and that's in well. Now there's a Velcro. So now to put it around my wrist. I think it looks okay. And that's basically the Apple Watch strap. And that is the Sport Loop in black.